Hello everyone, it's Justin Oakley from Oakley Home Access. Today we are broadcasting live from the Oakley Home Access headquarters down in Narragansett, Rhode Island. Today we are demonstrating the use of the Handybar. The Handybar is one of our favorite little devices that greatly improves access in and out of vehicles, especially lower vehicles like this one here. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to utilize this. We have the Handybar, and then we have this latch right here that is on 99.9% of vehicles, and what it does generally is accept the lock and the latch of the door. You'd never really notice it, but it's very important to utilize with this. So we essentially are able to create this as an armrest for an individual sitting down into a vehicle, and probably even more important, getting up safely from the low seat. So I'm going to demonstrate how we're going to utilize it to get in, and then I'm going to demonstrate how to use it to get out. So first, it goes right in there like this, and we're educating individuals to push down on it and ease down into the seat. Now, on the way up, once you're ready to exit the vehicle, it can be stored in here. Comes on out, place it right there, and then we're gonna put all our weight through it to push up and out of the vehicle. So essentially, putting an armrest where there otherwise isn't, and helping folks in and out of the vehicle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.